Everyone, and go to PrecedenteUniverse.com here at the Dakota County Library in Apple Valley. Got the Black's Law Dictionary. I'm going to read you the definitions of precedent. Precede, to go before in rank, dignity, or importance, to outrank or take precedence over. To be, or go before in arrangement or sequence. To go before in order of time, to occur earlier than, to preface or introduce, to supply with a prelude or preface. To go or walk before someone else, to go somewhere before another person. Precedence, the order or priority in place or time observed by or for persons of different statuses, such as political dignitaries, on the basis of rank during ceremonial events, also termed diplomatic precedence, generally the quality, state, or condition of going before something else according to the system of priorities. The ranked priority that determines whether a motion is in order while another motion is pending, or whether a pending motion yields to another motion. The priority in which a member is entitled to the floor, also termed precedence and recognition, preference in being recognized. The order in which persons may claim the right to administer an intestate's estate. The traditional order is surviving spouse, next of kin, creditors, and then public administrator. Precedent as an adjective, preceding in time or order. Precedent as a noun, something of the same type that has occurred or existed before. An action or official decision that can be used as support for later actions or decisions, especially a decided case that furnishes a basis for determining later cases involving similar facts or issues. See stare decisis. And then there is blinding precedent, declaratory precedent, original precedent, persuasive precedent, precedent sub silentio, super precedent, a super precedent, a precedent that defines the law and its requirements so effectively that it prevents divergent holdings in later legal decisions on similar facts or induces disputants to settle their claims without litigation. This sense was posited by W. Landis and Richard A. Posner in Legal Precedent, a theoretical and empirical analysis, 19J Law and Economics, 249, 251, 1976. A precedent that has become so well established in the law by a long line of reaffirmations that it is very difficult to overturn it. Specifically, a precedent that has been reaffirmed many times and whose rationale has been extended to cover cases in which the facts are dissimilar, even wholly unrelated to those of the precedent. For example, Roe v. Wade has been called a super precedent because it has survived more than 36 attempts to overturn it and has been relied on in decisions protecting gay rights and the right to die. Cf. super stare decisis, under stare decisis. The doctrine of precedent, okay, that's super precedent, a form of pleading or property conveyancing instrument. Precedents are often compiled in book form and used by lawyers as guides for preparing similar documents. Precedented, having the support, justification, or sanction of an earlier example of like kind. That's an adjective, precedented, and then cf, unprecedented, and then precedential, adjective, of relating to or constituting a precedent, having force or providing support, and as an example for imitation, taking precedence, antecedent, of relating to or involving official or social precedents, and then precedent sub silentio, see precedent, term 2. Precedent term 2, an action or official decision that can be used as support for later actions or decisions, especially a decided case that furnishes a basis for determining later cases involving similar facts or issues. Okay. Have a good day, America. Love you. President Convoy here. Miller, Madison, Collect, Quinn. Thanks for teaching Daddy how to win. I miss you, love you, can't wait to see you.